Let me show you how the tenses work in Spanish. A conjugation is when you change the ending of the verb depending on the person who's performing and when the action is being performed. So when it comes to that, if we have the verb comer, which is to eat, in present tense it is gonna be como. I keep the root, I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna put the new one, which is o, como, I eat. Then in past tense we have comí, it means I ate. Then comía, which is the other past tense. You can review our video talking about these two past tenses. Comía is I used to eat. Then we have the future tense, comeré, I will eat. And finally, comería, which means I would eat. That's what we call the conditional tense. So there you go, I wrote down the English version of all of them. These are called simple tenses because it's only one word in Spanish creating the tense. And in English you can create perfect tenses, but they depend on the simple ones. How? You're gonna use in English the verb have. So when you have the present tense, you say I eat, and for the verb to have is I have, right? That's the present tense. Then the past perfect would be I had eaten. We do exactly the same in Espanol, but in this case what we're gonna use is the verb haber. You can check my last video talking about this verb. So in present tense, the verb haber is gonna be yo he. So this is like a big brother of the present tense, and I need to use the past participle, which is hado or ido words. You remove the ending if it's AR and you put hado, and if it's ER or IR you put ido. If I'm using comer, which is an ER verb, I would say comido, he comido, that's I have eaten, and it's like the big brother of the present tense. We call it in Spanish pretérito perfecto or pasado perfecto. We don't care about names, we just need to understand how the structure works. Then for the simple past, haber would be hube, and the other past it would be había. Hube comido is something that we used to say but we don't use it anymore. It's like old Spanish. You can find it on books or stuff like that, but we're not gonna use it when talking. So when you wanna say I had eaten, you're gonna use this one, había. You see the same ending, comía and había, and then again comido, because you say I have eaten, I had eaten. The only thing you're replacing is the conjugation of the main verb, which in this case is haber. Then for the future tense, if you say I will eat, is one verb, comeré. But if you wanna say I will have eaten, it would be habré comido. So take a guess now, how would you say I would have eaten? Comería is I would eat, so I need to use haber in conditional, which is habría. So in order to say I would have eaten, it would be habría comido. So if you know the past participle of every single verb, you're gonna be able to say all the tenses in Spanish. Yeah, it takes a lot of practice, but at least you understand now how the Spanish works. So there you go, there you have the English version of it. Let me know if you have questions about this and I'll create another short. Remember that I'm Nelfer Belilla and this is 2 Minute Spanish.